Want to know how to change your theme in Replit? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. Super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up your replit.com website. So once you have opened it up, make sure you are logged in as well. So we have also created a video on how to log in, so make sure to watch it. So once you have logged in, you should be provided with this interface right here. On the top left side, you should be seeing your app icon right here, so you can just simply select it. And then once you have selected the app icon here, you should be seeing theme, that should be right under CLUI. So once you select the theme here, you can just simply switch from light to dark mode. So this is how you can easily change your website theme, that is changing from light to dark mode in Replit. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.